Now, when that's locked, you got power. And you see this one is not locking. Okay, so there's a little bit move here. You can move forward slightly, less than an inch. No, don't move. Yeah, it's the, don't move. It's like okay, stretch. You see, still moving, right? Okay, that's good. No good, no good. I concentrate on here. You feel it's all here, and it's going to buckle when I go. You have to release, otherwise you can feel it's horrible.
I don't know the move.
Yeah, you don't have to know any moves, just know to stand. Yeah. You see the moves? Lock everything.
Lock it.
Yeah. Lock that shoulder. Fixed in space. Fix your head in space. This shoulder. Okay, very good. Rear shoulder more. Lock it. Okay, very good. So I concentrate on your dantian. You feel the dantian?
Oh, how you do that, Mr.
That's why we're here.
No, but
You have to become a worm. You see, as soon as you are here, this is your natural tendency. Put it all here. More. That's good. Well, here. If I'm here, there's no more left. This is the uncomfortable position. So you don't have to touch me. I'll show you how I work. Okay? We all move. And move. I don't move. Only move here. If we move the outside, the frame will collapse. I'll show you the same feeling. Don't do anything, just like that. So you are strong. You see, these are all moves. So can you see I place, and it's only here. When you're, let me tell you the human size there. Yeah, okay, that's good. Human body in relation to your weight and gravity, the perfect size is about 160 centimeter to about 172 centimeters, your height. Anything more than that, you're going to hurt yourself. Your body height in relation to the floor. Because when you fall, you cannot buffer it. When you fall, usually you're like this. When you're like this, 172 meters and above, you'll kill yourself. When you're short, you won't. It's critical. That's why I'll hit the shorter guys. The bigger guys, I won't dare to.
Are you really sure?
Pardon me?
If somebody's really sure?
Well, that's why kids can fall, because there's no impact.
Right.
You get a stick, you see, put a weight on the stick, put something, a device to test the impact. If it's tall, the impact from here falling down here, it will kill you. So I'll give you a small one. Go behind him, and just to show, right behind. So right behind. So the move is going to be very small. These only this big, but I move the outside. Only move here. So this is difficult because it's totally against the human nature. Human nature is we only move outside. We don't know how to move the inside.